How to delete your YouTube channel. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you are looking forward to delete your YouTube channel, then simply go ahead and open YouTube on your device and make sure you are signed in to the channel that you want to delete. Now tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and then tap on the settings option you see there. Now, from the left side toolbar, tap on the advanced settings option you see there, and here you will see the option for delete channel. So simply tap on the delete channel option, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on review and Google account option you see there, and in the interface that you will then be led to, you will be required to verify your Google account in order to confirm the deletion of your channel. And once you have verified your login, you can simply choose if you just want to hide your channel or if you want to permanently delete your content. Choose on the preferred option and simply go ahead and tap on the delete option you see there, and with this your channel will be deleted. So this was about how you can delete your channel on YouTube. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.